You might think this animal is an alpaca, or maybe you think it's a llama. But did you know it's not actually either of those? Hi, Zachamels here. Before we get into the differences between llamas, alpacas and more, I'll first talk about their similarities and what makes them so interesting. Both llamas and alpacas are closely related to each other. They're also closely related to camels. This is shown in their resistant nature, such as being able to survive in harsh environments and being able to survive with little water. Llamas and alpacas are both known for spitting. This spit can be a nasty, sticky green fluid from its stomach that's used for defense against predators. This fluid isn't that harmful and also isn't used very often, so if you're near a llama or an alpaca, you shouldn't have to worry about it. But the more common type of spitting is a traditional spray of saliva. This is usually used to members of the same species for communication, such as showing dominance, keeping others away from food, or a female llama showing a male llama they aren't interested in them. Another interesting social quirk of llamas and alpacas is that all members of the herd will all poo in the same pile. These piles used to be farmed by Incas for fuel. You now know how weird and wonderful llamas and alpacas are, but what's the difference between the two? Well, llamas are about twice as big as alpacas. Also, llamas have large banana-shaped ears, as opposed to alpacas' smaller straight ears. Alpacas also have much softer wool. There are also two other animals that look like llamas and alpacas, which are the wild relatives, which I'm not quite sure how to pronounce, but I'll give it a try. There's the guanaco, which are closely related to llamas. There are also vicunas, which are the wild cousins of alpacas. They also have high cultural importance to Peru, being the national animal of Peru. Their wool is also very popular, as it's very warm, but this need for wool can be dangerous, and in the 1960s there were only 6,000 vicunas alive. So now many people conduct chachu, which is herding vicunas from the wild, then shearing them alive and returning them to the wild. This process is then repeated every 2 years. Thanks for watching this video. Like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you're not already. Bye!